It's good, y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. I'm glad to here with y'all back at it again with another video. So, uh, a lot of my videos from now on is gonna be me talking to y'all about trading, investing, and how I do plan on becoming not only just a six-figure investor, but a multimillionaire through investing, whether it's growth stocks, whether it's real estate, just really showing y'all that it's possible. Now, right now, I'm currently a five-figure stock market investor, and invested into assets has truly taught me a lot about staying disciplined, staying committed to my financial goals, really shifting my mentality on the way that I view money, and also unlearning a lot of things that was taught to me about money. Right now, right now, as y'all can see, I'm at work. I'm in one of the buildings, but I am on my break, so I'm able to make this video. Time is very, very finite, and time is your number one asset. You cannot replenish time. You can always make more money, but you cannot make more time. And the way that rich and wealthy people think is they use their money to buy back their time. So I want you to ask yourself a question. How long would it take for you to save up $100,000 or $500,000 or even $1,000,000, as opposed to, and I'm talking about working a regular W-2, a regular job, making $20 an hour, as opposed to learning a high income skill that can pay you as much money as you want because there's no limit, and putting your money to work. Now today in the stock market, my portfolio was down over $400, which I will screenshot, right here. I'll let you guys see. And past couple hours has recovered, you know, probably down like 200 some change right now. But I look at every red day as a discounted day because when you're in the stock market, you're owning a piece of a business, right? You're owning a business, and your shares, as long as you keep on accumulating, they will make you more money as long as the stock price goes up. And I tell you, a lot of the time, these companies, they don't care about you, the employee. They care about the shareholder, and they care about, the CEO, the CFO, things of that nature. And the more aware that you become in this human experience, the more time you want to try to buy back. So we work these W-2 jobs where we get paid $20 an hour. We're trading hours of our life for little bits of money that's barely going to keep up with the cost of living, and it's not really going to keep up with inflation. And having financial education is one of the most important things in this human experience because now you're learning how money works. If you put that same time and energy into assets work 24/7. You're not a robot. You're not about to work 24/7, bro. Sometimes we get tired. Sometimes we need breaks. Sometimes you need time to yourself. It's not just about giving your whole entire life to a corporation, to a company, and then you retire, and then you probably got 10, 15 years of life left if you live that long. And then what? They gave you a couple dollars, it paid your rent, paid a couple bills, but it never really helped you get ahead in life. So all I try to share with the people is there's other ways to make money instead of just thinking or I can only make money at my job and that's it. One source of income is too close to zero. Now, millionaires and multimillionaires know this already. They know multiple sources of income is important. Billionaires know that. Subconsciously, a lot of people believe that the stock market is too hard to learn. Or a lot of people believe that it's only for certain people, but it's not. How do you think you're going to build wealth in this human experience? It is through investing your money. It's not working a regular 9 to 5 job, bro. Because you're going up against a system where it's not meant for you to truly get ahead, because these jobs know that they can pay you way more money than what they're paying you, but they're not going to do it because they don't care about you. They don't care about what you got to take care of. They don't care about how you're feeling. They just want you to show up to work, no matter how you're feeling, and get the job done. Now, am I telling you I quit your job? No, I'm not telling you that, bro. But what I'm telling you is think of other ways outside of the box that is going to help you make more money. Your job is one source of income. Your stocks is another source of income. Getting paid dividends should be another source of income. If you got a YouTube channel, if you got a TikTok, if you're making money on social media, that should be another source of income. Owning real estate, that should be another. Like, you got to think of other sources, bro. And we all consume to a certain extent, but we all got to realize that consumption is not going to help you get rich or wealthy, bro. Creation will. Ownership. Now, how do I plan on becoming a millionaire through the stock market? Investing heavier, owning more assets, reinvesting my dividends, keeping my foot on the gas every day. Honestly speaking, rinse and repeat. It's like working out. You building a muscle every day, repetition, 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 and it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Doing some more hours at work so that I'm able to get the overtime so that I can put that overtime money to work. Adding more value to the YouTube channel, talking about money more, talking about retention. Keep on talking about retention and me retaining my energy, taking back my power, and using that energy to transmute it into owning more assets. I'm not wasting my time spilling my seed on stupid shit on watching PMO videos. I'm not wasting my time being a coomer. I'm spending my time and energy on the things that's important. My health, my mental health, my spiritual growth, growing with God, growing with my lady, adding value to the channel, bro. Doing the things that I enjoy because time is my number one asset. And I'm trading time and hours of my life that I cannot get back for 20 singles. $20.72 before taxes, bro. That is nothing, bro. It's a slap in the face. And like they want you to be grateful for the little bit of money that you're making. So they keep you in the trap so that you're here for 40 years and 50 years of your life. And then you don't have that much life left to live because your body is beat up. Your mind is probably numb. You probably didn't think you could do any better than $20 an hour. You probably was afraid to take risk. Can't be afraid. You got to be willing to make it happen. Because that's the only way you're going to make it in life is by taking the chance on yourself, bro. The more assets that you stack, the less time you will have to spend on making that money. Set a goal, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 in a portfolio. You'll learn how to teach yourself how to look at money differently, I promise. But it's up to you. It's not up to nobody else. And the more you realize nobody's coming to save you, the more you focus on saving yourself. All right? So this is a quick video for the YouTube channel while I'm on my break. If you want to subscribe, you can. If you want to give the video a thumbs up, you can. And leave your comments below. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.